Good morning, students. So we are starting our day Tuesday, September 15th. And you may notice that for math, you just have a worksheet. So we are just continuing to divide one digit into 3 digits. So in the email that is sent with your lesson plans, find the math sheet that says Tuesday, which is just a review of division, just to practice, get the hang of long division and bringing down the numbers. So if you need a little bit of help remembering how to do that, please rewatch yesterday's video on division. And of course, you can log into Zoom at 11 with any questions, and I will be there for you. So as you may have noticed, for most of the week, we do not have language arts, and that's because we have our MAPS test. Now, some of you did your MAPS test already, some of you haven't. That is okay. I sent an email about it. We are going to be working on them little by little for the next 2 weeks. So we do have a spelling assignment on page 14, and as we normally do every Tuesday, we have our vocabulary page. And again, as we know, that means that we focus on the last 4 words. So this week would be proceed, recede, proverb, and verbal. And as we have learned many times, I suggest that you look these up in the back of the book first so that you have a much easier time completing this paper. So we are copying our vocabulary words here from 1 through 4, matching the meaning to the words for 5 through 8, as usual, using these words to complete these sentences so they make sense, and a multiple choice for 13 and 14. So look them up first, and then when you match the meanings, you may have to go back and forth just to make sure you have them right, as sometimes they are similar. And just a quick reminder that we are reading The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe together this week, and we had so much fun reading it together yesterday. So this is what my book looks like. Yours may look a little different. And just a reminder that I will be reading chapter 2 on Wednesday, and I am getting ready to upload today's audio onto YouTube. So if you weren't there to listen, you can go back and be updated on what we learned today. So if you weren't there, so if you weren't able to join today, you should be reading chapter 1, Lucy Looks into a Wardrobe. It's not very long. And completing this little assignment where we review what we learned. So you have 10 questions about the first chapter and an exercise where you describe the 4 characters that we learned about. So this, of course, is due Friday, but we will have one more for chapter 2. And of course, I am available over Zoom for any help.